The executives of Khumulwng Press Club, Tripura Media Organization, Tripura Indigenous Peoples Press Association, also known as TIPPA, and Tripura Photo Media Association (TPMA) had organized a press meet on Friday at the Agartala Press Club, demanding for the inclusion of Kokborok Roman script.
The executives of Khumulwng Press Club, Tripura Media Organization, Tripura Indigenous Peoples Press Association (TIPPA), and Tripura Photo Media Association (TPMA) has appreciated on the initiative taken for the demand of Roman script for Kokborok movement. The executives of Khumulwng Press Club, Tripura Media Organization (TIPPA), and TPMA had organized a press meet on Friday at the Agartala Press Club, demanding for the inclusion of Kokborok Roman script. The president of Khumulwng Press Club, at the press meet stated that Kokborok is the only language with most suitable and convenient for the Department of Journalists.
The present movement that's going on in unstable ground, that is the movement for Roman script. We are the one who are facing the real problems and the practical problems. When we go to write the news, also we have to write in Roman scripts. So we, from the three of us, all of us, we support this movement for the Kokborok, which is going in unstable ground. And just to take the examples, we can see, whenever we open Facebook, we can open in multiple languages. Even the Biharis, even the Telugus, even everyone. We have the options for switching onto Bengali language, to Tamil language, Hindi language, everywhere. But maximum, more than 90%, we can see everyone is switching onto Roman script, onto English. So this is the trend. And the maximum people are now trying to opt to study in English medium schools. And this is now 2023. And we say that this is the need of the hour, and we demand for the Roman script, and we support all this. And being the media organizations and the media persons, it is not that we need to go and sit there, but through our news, through interviews, through different, we support the movement.
Similarly, the secretary of Khumulwng Press Club, respected Ronjit Devarma, also stated that the Roman script for Kokborok movements and other organization movements for the inclusion of Kokborok Roman script will have the full support. He further states that they will support the movement for Kokborok Roman script by telecasting the movements.
Sengmia sariko kaisa meeting asukmani yagulo kaisa kaini sidanto naharmani yagulo seng media ni buskango ma phaika seng jotono saimano Kokborok script noti seng bisi kolok malom romoi choba khlai themeni chini Tripura sarok dalbidal organization political party NGO sok paithak phasing seng obono nugui mankha dalbidal organization dalbidal motha dalbidal NGOs ni phasing tui kebo kebo Bangla script kebo kebo Roman script kebo kebo Devanagari script sanai tongmani seng kebono neglect khayaboi kebono yashi suriyaboi seng tamo nayabo simin norok ni basango sanani musumbo seng jara Kokborok media o samung khayo Kokborok media house by krengjak seng chini news no khaya thangkang kangke chini bagai jotoni klai ke Roman script no saimania tabuk bo all jorabo kebo Bangla script no use zakai dong ang saimamoni mote kuno Kokborok media house Bangla script no news nya thangtani wo use khaigalak ojorabo khlayana tayabo haikeno script katal bai jeng use khanya to chini Kokborok bai kuno script se kri kota ko janto aboni bagi abo to question no era sing ya aboni bagi sing sanani musungmani gangke chini bagi Roman script no सबसे best sing news nya thangtani wo news porinani thangtani wo eba gangke ni chini news content no sing social media wo post khanya thangtani wo jotoni best kalaikuk language ngake Roman no nising bansoko aboni bagai Roman script nati je movement khai tongai rok soba khai tongai rok especially Roman script for Kokborok choba lai thangai sanai sadam sakango North Gate buskango borok 2 hours sit in demonstration program bo khaikya borok no sing balai chini press club chini kaini media organization ni bakatei kha kupur kha kaham ya pharo norok ni chobabo sing salbrumno norok ni logiwo tongo sing sakbai thang norok ni chobao thangai asubi man ya phano chini media ni samung gangke sing news telecast khainani news poriboshon khainani awai mung khainani अबहाय मुभमेन्ट दंनो जों आवाय मुंनि बिसिंथि गभर्नमेन्ट न चिनि लुकुरक न एवार खायनानि चाइटक मुंथु होनानै अबनो जों बसकांनि साला जों बेलाय साखथारै अबनो खायनानि बागै चाइटक नायहनै जों मिडियानि बसकांगो चिनि अर्गानाइजेशननि बिसिंथि चिनि प्रेस क्लाबनि बिसिंथि जों कग्रुव
Likewise, the President of Tripura Indigenous Peoples Press Association TIPPA, Gautam Devarma, and Secretary Benjamin Devarma gave their statements at the press meet.
Chini Kokborok sang Kok Mani Kok no salai tonglai bani obno tui kabang mano sang sarai fru ni simi nugui phaimani choba buskango bo haino choba choli tongo sang nukha Kokborok Roman script chobano tui inge sarkar thango phayo phiaba sang tabu bo haino o Bangla script Roman script tai Devanagari ama haike kok Banglai mang no sini dofani je script eba keba sini je language je seitai je kri ni bagai sakbai thani seitai kri ni bagai sangje thungjagai tongmani ngai abo ni bagai kabangma choba to lai thanga baskango bo choba kotor phai tongo abo ni bagai sang Khumulwng press club tai TIPPA tai TPMA ni je organization je সংগঠন press electronics media je samung khai tongai rok jotono sang Roman script no support khayu borong ni logi sang tongo aboni hini sang bukhabai aborong no je mansak sang subanai
poilani kaisa point hangkangke chini Roman script no tui chini je tabuk choba ba tabuk je jeng naimung no tui hasteo choli tongmani jeng media professional je tong nai ro simia ba social media wo je norok nugui tongmani ba script je kunu sei tongmani ang khakayo chini tiprasa ni 95% no ang wansogo Roman script banyo social media wo attend kayo tai script bo suyo angkai jeng aba haike no jeng support kayo chini Roman script banyo chini suimung rok khangke chini bagai easy cook ba kalai cook ba chini je sana musungmani bakhani kok ba spelling ba je kunung ga jeng suimano tangai abo notui point pula first ma saka je agi kabangma Bengali medium hanai ba agi government school hanai tong mani aborong no truk aste convert khayoi English medium hanai tlangjaka English medium mo tlangmani kaisa no jeng nukjaka obong kaisa upgrading ngui tongo mane developing ngui tong mani nukjago a developing ke boba hai noro practically nukana agi land phone tongmani pore mobile phone haikya mobile phone haipro jeng 2G by just kok simon drop ke jeng kok ma salayo samung nangmarang ma 2G ni pore internet 3G haipro jeng social media rok apro jengjaka 3G no jeng phano bono tab upgrade kai 3G 4G tabuk 5G ni je jugo je tabuk jeng develop tongmani jorawo Bengali medium ba agini je porinai rok sudu si tabuk English medium kai convert kai government school lungui tongo hungkangke chini dini developing tongo angka aja gawo jeng tabuk judi no jengno Roman script riyawoi tabuk chini Bengali je script by jeng Kokborok no jeng seina thangkangke abo je jeng seimanai borok ba porimanai borok abo seibo maya na poribo mayang thong mane abo totally useless angkai social media practically nugui tongo abo ani personal kok buya norok nijibo norok monai neki social media 95% mane no 95% borok no Roman script by kok seyu mane angka jeng Roman script ni chini busuk joratui जों खायखांखै सोलामखांखै बा इजि ओं बा चिनि कक साना मुसुंमानो जों सैबो मानो आं सैरमान यागुल जे नगनै बपरि माय आंखांखै आपो चिनि कुनु भेलु करिं थांगो आबोनो आं कयो चिनि हास्ते हापांनोबो रोमान स्क्रिप्ट जुदि नरक जोंनो सिकिउरिटि रखांखै आबो चिनि बागैबो इजि नाय दाय चिनि बागै अनेक हेल्पफुल नाय बा डेभलप नानि थानी आबो चिन बागै तेबो काहामkai जों सामुं खालायमान होननानै वानसुगो
The President of Khumulwng Press Club, respected Angshu Devarma, Secretary Ranjit Devarma, Vice President Reverend Nirpendo Devarma, President of TIPPA Gautam Devarma, Secretary Benjamin Devarma, Vice President Krishanu Devarma, the Secretary of TPMA Amulya Devarma, and other executives were present at the press meet. Reported by Krishanu from Agartala, Chini Khorang.